Hello everyone, let's make a smoothie. There's a blueberry here, strawberry, and they have cucumber, and they have green apple. Let's mix them together. Let's see. And then this one, strawberry, frozen strawberry. Wow. We add more and more and more. And then let's add some cucumber. Cucumber. And then let's mix some green apple. Yes. Try natin kung ano. First time kong gawin kasi ito. Microwave. Microwave ka dyan. Mali-mali naman to. And let's add water. Blender. Mag-blend tayo. Ayan. Let's add some water. Where's the water na? Ang water natin. Let's add some water. Yes, this. And then let's add some. First may cinnamon. Meron akong cinnamon dito. Ayan. Dagdagan natin ng cinnamon. Ayan, konti lang. Ang flavor lang. And then let's add some honey. Honey. Konti lang para hindi siya sweet and marvelous. Sweet and marvelous. Yan, takpan natin. Let's try. Let's mix it. Hindi ako marunong kumamit nito. Naka-on na ba? Hindi pa nakasaksak. Wait lang. Saksak natin dito. Ayan. Natin siya. Ayan. Let's try to put it on. Malakas. About this one, other side. Ay, ayaw. Wala. Ayaw niya. Na-stuck siya. Bakit siya na-stuck? Dahil matikas kasi yung ano, what they call that is strawberry. Okay naman siya. Parang kulang siya ng tubig. Too much. So we'll add some more water. Like that. Ang late natin. Ang late kasi na itong blender. Good for one. But I put so many stuff inside. Okay, let's try to check. Check natin kung gaano siya katamis. Ang hirap buksan. Lagyan pa natin ng honey. Yes. Hindi nakita, no? And then blend it again once more to mix them all. Ayan ang smoothie natin. That's all for today. Okay na siya. See? It's full. Tikman natin ngayon. Kuha tayo ng baso. Let's try. Drink tayo. Drink tayo. Ayan. Masarap na siya. Smoothie. Masarap. Lagyan nyo ng cinnamon. Sarap. Blueberry, strawberry, cucumber, and green apple only. The ingredients. You add some milk, chocolate, milk, water, and honey. Thanks for watching.